Let's make chicken spaghetti pesto. It's a combination of grilled chicken and homemade pesto genovese. We're going to start by making our pesto with some fresh basil. We're going to press that basil down into your food processor because we're using a lot of it and we want it all to fit in there. Then we're going to use about 6 or 7 large cloves of garlic, some grated Parmesan cheese. After the grated Parmesan cheese is all in there, we're going to add some pine nuts. Once we have all the pine nuts in, season with salt and pepper. Put the cap on your food processor and pulse until a thick paste forms. Then stream in olive oil until your pesto reaches a spoonable, spreadable consistency. You can see that here. Once we have this made, we're going to set the pesto sauce aside and start making our chicken. Make the marinade by squeezing some lemon juice over some minced garlic. Once we have the lemon juice in the garlic, we're going to add olive oil, and then we are going to put in some Italian spices and salt and pepper. We're going to give it a stir until it all comes together. Once it comes together, we are going to spread it out over our chicken breasts. Make sure to cover your chicken breasts well and make sure that you are getting it all down the sides of your chicken breasts and on the second side of your chicken breast as well, so that the chicken is really nice and well seasoned throughout. You can cover this and pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes to half an hour to really let the flavors seep into the chicken breast. That way there'll be no chickeny tasting pieces in your chicken. Add it onto a hot grill pan with some olive oil, and you're going to cook the first side until it starts to pull away from the grill pan. Flip it over and keep cooking until it's ready to flip again when the chicken pulls away. Once the chicken is done, you're going to let it rest. Boil up some pasta. And then when your pasta is all done, you are going to slice your chicken and set that aside. Spread your pesto out over your spaghetti and give the spaghetti a nice toss to get it coated with the pesto. Now, if there's not enough pesto on there for you, you can always add a little bit more. You can say, I'm going to do that in just a second. You can also take some of the starchy pasta water and toss that with your cooked spaghetti as well to make the sauce a little thinner, but still like thick and luscious because there's all that starch. Top it with the grilled chicken, and then you can sprinkle on some cheese. You can add more pesto, some fresh basil, some pine nuts. Dress it up however you like. It is a beautiful presentation, and it is so yummy and flavorful. For the full recipe, you can go to my website, seasonsprinkles.com, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.